sa mga pastor or pare or mga lay workers who are involved in values formation initiatives sa government, sa business organizations, sa mga communities or mga co-ops. Gusto ko kayo sanang imbitahan on July 29, 7 p.m. to a Zoom meeting. In that Zoom meeting, we will let you know kung paano makakatulong ang similya sa kinabuhi sa inyo. Tapos na ho yung website namin. And we are offering the values formation lesson for free sa mga gustong gumamit para makatulong naman kami sa character development ng mga Pilipino. The reason why we would like to meet with pastors is because gusto sana namin na mas malalim ang tulong namin sa inyo. While you can access our lesson sa website, alam ko meron sa inyo nagagawa ng mga session na walang wifi. So gusto namin i-explain in that Zoom meeting how you can get copies of our lessons na para pwede nyo siyang gamitin maski saan and maski kailan nyo kailangan silang gamitin. On the other hand, gusto rin namin in-network ang mga pastor so that maybe we can have regular sessions where we can train you how to minister to business people. If you have been following me, alam nyo na my desire is to see all Filipinos become fruitful. And because limited ang reach namin, naniniwala kami kayo ang tutulong sa amin para magawa yung panaginip na yan. Hindi ho ako isang tao who would like to get all the credit and do all the work. Naniniwala ako by working together, we can see this country become who God wants it to be. Gusto ko matulungan natin lahat ng Pilipino ma-fulfill yung creation mandate, which is to become fruitful. So I hope you will join us on July 29, but at the same time, kung meron kang mga kilalang pastor who may benefit from the lessons that si Milyas created, tell them about the Zoom meeting. Together, pagtulungan natin na lahat ng Pilipino makilala ang Panginoon, maging follower ni Jesus, and magkaroon ng buhay na umaapaw ang blessing, which the Bible calls, be fruitful. If you want to join the Zoom meeting, kindly contact si Milyas Akinabuhi, especially si Ryan Cagadas at saka si John Timay. They will put their contact information in the comments below. Hope to see you on July 29.